Evening and thanks for joining us for WVLT News at 10 on the CW. I'm Will Puckett. Today, free health care is being offered to a rural community in desperate need of it. We start this Friday night with the Ram Clinic in Jellico that starts tomorrow. People there have already stopped by trying to be the first in line to take advantage of free care like dental, vision, women's health, and general medical exams. All of this is happening this weekend. However, we caught up with a few people who were eagerly waiting as of 3 o'clock this afternoon. And this is just a glimpse as to how important care like this is for the folks that call Jellico home.
I'm hoping to get all my teeth pulled today.
It is extremely vital.
I've not had insurance for about 10 years, and trying to get it is just, it's crazy.
Story after story after story we hear every time, similar to those ones when we make a trip to a Ram Clinic. Those folks were asked just shortly after Sam Luther spoke to them to leave. However, they were told they could return to the parking lot at Jellico Elementary at midnight tonight. They'll be seen starting at 6 in the morning. Now, a part of the reason that Ram Clinic is so vital to a place like Jellico is because they don't have a hospital, and they haven't had one for nearly a year and a half now. Tonight, our Sam Luther sat down with the city's mayor, talking about what went wrong with the old facility and how things hope to be different a second time around.
It borders on being an impossible task.
In Jellico, it's been an uphill battle keeping this hospital running. In November of 2020, the last patient was seen. It's been closed ever since.
Some of the x-ray equipment was either inoperable or inferior.
Mayor Dwight Osborn saying at the time the Renova-run hospital had major flaws.
And I'm not sure what their business model was, but whatever it was, it didn't work.
Having to bring emergency lab work to other facilities because the machines weren't working, so they're starting over.
Without Boa Vida, there would be no hope of reopening this hospital.
A company that manages mainly rural hospitals coming in with more resources after signing a 20-year contract with the city, bringing functional equipment, a specialized unit for seniors, and an emergency room capable to perform surgeries. Osborn optimistic it'll all come soon.
I'm hopeful we're looking at weeks instead of months now.
With the Ram Clinic just down the road, it's a bittersweet sight for Osborn. Happy they're getting care, wishing they had things like a hospital in place. Instead, the closest one is nearly an hour away.
It is heartbreaking sometimes to see these people in need.
In Jellico, Sam Luther, WVLT News.
Mayor Osborn is hopeful it's just again a matter of weeks before they open again. He says right now things like final inspections and hiring the staff needed to run the hospital are some of the final steps left to take.